So, yeah. You had fun tonight?
Yeah, I had a good time.
You spent a heap of money for you? So what for
That's how
fun?
it's supposed to be.
What for fun?
So, what do you want to do?
Sex?
So come on.
Alright, come on.
Hey yo, Lincoln Tree that.
You don't know Andrew Trabass.
And this is a smell test.
This is a quick video. I explain a couple ways of it. Check it!
I want to show you different techniques of how man test the waters before them swim. You dig? You can't act like mosquito in a room.
Yes, the mosquito. See him? See him there? See him there?
Where?
See him there? See him? You catch him?
Girl house need destroyer. You can hook her up and check it out. Or you can act like you accidentally dropped something.
What?
You can act like you hear something.
You hear that?
What?
Shut up, fire.
Yeah, or you can rough her up and dominate. You understand? Grab all her throat, grab her neck and turn her head and then you check it.
Anything alright, no. Yeah, I love you.
Or you can just make she check it.
Bravo.
Hmm?
I love you. So what does that smell?
You.
But you need to check the waters before you swim. You might swim in dirty waters.
Check it!
So if you see a girl and you like her and she look good and all of that,
Check it!
she come in at your house and the pum pum fat and all of that,
Check it!
all if she a chrome skin and her skin clean and pretty.
Check it!
Well, you don't know, this is just a couple ways for check it before you wreck it. You see me I say? Because enough girl have things out there you don't want to catch it.
Check it!
And please, even though you check it, use a condom. Or you can say a word of prayer and skip AIDS.
Check it!
I love fat bitches, that's my fucking problem. You're not for going at the gym. It's not a fucking problem.
I love fat bitches, that's my fucking problem. You not forget a treadmill, it's not a fucking problem.
I love fat bitches, that's my fucking problem. Girl, empty me free. It's not a fucking problem.
I love fat bitches, that's my fucking problem. And even if your belly big, it's not a fucking problem.